Alright, so today is day one of learning. Actually, technically it's day two, because on day one I built myself a wheelie machine, but I only used it for like 5 minutes because it was really boring and I was afraid it was going to ruin the back wheel. Let's go try to wheelie. What's that Russian guy say?
Safety is number one priority.
Day one is not going well. So my biggest concern is when I push off, right? I'm over exaggerating. When I push off, I want to be kind of in this position, nice and relaxed. I think I'm T-Rexing, which isn't good. And I'm also scared that I'm going to turn my wheel, because then if I turn my wheel and I come down, the bike doesn't want to like do what I want. It wants to kick off. So I need to not only remind myself to keep relaxed, but I also need to make sure that my front wheel stays straight and not turning. A little bit maybe, but that's kind of my big concern right now. Plus, I'm 46 and I don't want to get hurt. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go back and try some more. All right, wheelie machine. Let's go. So this is my custom built wheelie machine. I saw somebody build one online and they seemed to know what they were doing. So I had some scrap wood. The back wheel goes in here. All right, so in theory, I'm gonna pull up here and I can jump off the back if it goes wrong. Push, pull, keep my arms straight. Oh, gotta keep my head up too. Look at that way, because I want to go up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I feel like a beginner. I feel like I got a long way to go. All right, I'm out.